Lesson 93.
Repeat.
Thanks. Cheers.
Explanation.
Thanks is an informal way of saying thank you. An even more informal way of saying thanks is cheers, which is used in the UK, but not very much in the US.
Questions.
What's an informal way of saying thank you? What's an informal way of saying thank you? An informal way of saying thank you is thanks. Do people in the UK say cheers, meaning thanks? Do people in the UK say cheers, meaning thanks? Yes, people in the UK say cheers, meaning thanks. Is cheers more formal than thanks? Is cheers more formal than thanks? No, cheers isn't more formal than thanks. It's less formal.
Repeat.
How to use apostrophes. Possession.
Explanation.
There are only two ways to use apostrophes. One is when we make contractions. Example, he's good looking. Another is to express possession. Example, this is David's bag.
Questions.
Do we use an apostrophe to express possession? Do we use an apostrophe to express possession? Yes, we use an apostrophe to express possession. Do we use an apostrophe to make contractions? Do we use an apostrophe to make contractions? Yes, we use an apostrophe to make contractions. Does the word thanks have an apostrophe? Does the word thanks have an apostrophe? No, the word thanks doesn't have an apostrophe.
Repeat.
Immediate. Immediately. Words ending in S.
Explanation.
Immediate and immediately mean without waiting. When we put an apostrophe immediately after a word ending in S, such as plurals, we do not need to add the letter S after the apostrophe. Example, in 2 months' time.
Questions.
Does in 2 months' time have an S after the apostrophe? Does in 2 months' time have an S after the apostrophe? No, in 2 months' time doesn't have an S after the apostrophe. Does my parents' wedding have an S after the apostrophe? Does my parents' wedding have an S after the apostrophe? No, my parents' wedding doesn't have an S after the apostrophe. Do we add the letter S after the apostrophe for a plural? Do we add the letter S after the apostrophe for a plural? No, we don't add the letter S after the apostrophe for a plural.
Repeat.
Road. Pedestrian. Connect.
Explanation.
We have streets in the city, which are used for cars and pedestrians. Most people use the words streets and roads with the same meaning, but to connect different towns and places, we only use the word road.
Questions.
Do streets connect different towns? Do streets connect different towns? No, streets don't connect different towns. Roads connect different towns. Are streets used for cars only? Are streets used for cars only? No, streets aren't used for cars only. They're used for cars and pedestrians. How do we spell connect? How do we spell connect? We spell connect C-O-N-N-E-C-T.
Repeat.
Burn. Burned. Burnt. Lighter.
Questions.
Does fire burn paper? Does fire burn paper? Yes, fire burns paper. When we light a fire with wood, what does the wood do? When we light a fire with wood, what does the wood do? When we light a fire with wood, the wood burns. What do people use to light a cigarette? What do people use to light a cigarette? People use a lighter to light a cigarette. What's the past and past participle of burn? What's the past and past participle of burn? The past and past participle of burn is burnt. Can we also use burned for the past and past participle of burn? Can we also use burned for the past and past participle of burn? Yes, we can also use burned for the past and past participle of burn. How do we spell light? How do we spell light? We spell light L-I-G-H-T.
Repeat.
Calculate. Calculated. Calculated.
Questions.
Can you calculate simple mathematics problems? Can you calculate simple mathematics problems? Yes, I can calculate simple mathematics problems. What's the past and past participle of calculate? What's the past and past participle of calculate? The past and past participle of calculate is calculated.